Hello guys, my name is Septanu Pinasti, student identification numbers 2215061100. I'm from PSTI Class D. Here, I will explain about IT job. The IT job that I choose here are UI UX designer. First of all, I will explain about job description. So, UI UX designer stands for user interface and user experience designer. Their job is to design the appearance of an application or website without the need to think about what programming language will be used in making the application or website. The goal of UI and UX designers is to design an application or website so that it is easy for users to use, more attractive to look at, and is expected to be able to highlight the message that the client wants to convey in the application or website, so that it is easily understood by users. When a company owner has a product to sell with the help of an application and website, that's where the product to be sold can be recognized and bought by many people easily, and the role of a UI UX designer is needed. Because by designing the appearance of an application or website that is better and easier for users to use, customers will surely be more comfortable in searching for or purchasing goods through an application or website. In UI and UX design, there are concepts and methods applied, such as design thinking, color and font systems, design patterns, and read patterns. Design thinking is a method used in the UI and UX design process. This process includes searching for problems that may be experienced or have been experienced by the target users of our application or website, then looking for solutions to these problems, then creating prototypes of our applications or websites according to the solutions that have been made, and finally testing the application or website. There is a ways to make money with a career as a UI and UX designer are as follows. 1. Work at office. 2. Full-time remote. 3. Freelance. 4. Marketplace UI and UX design. And last, create content. With a career as a UI and UX designer, you will be needed by business owners and others when creating applications or websites, with the aim that the appearance of the application or website create can attract the attention of customers and convince investors to work with companies or business owners who are working with you as a client. A must-have skill for UI UX designer: have the ability to communicate and collaborate, have empathy, have the ability to perform analysis, have knowledge of typography, having knowledge of programming, have the ability in problem solving, have the ability to design applications, mastering graphic design, can make wireframing, make prototypes, able to OO research and analysis, can work with a team, create UI mockups for websites and mobile apps. UI and UX designer career path. 1. UX management. After studying UX design for several years, your experience will definitely increase, so you can start increasing your career path to manager level. 2. Design UX senior. The next UX design career path is senior UX design positions, such as lead UX designer or senior UX designer. When you become a manager, most of your focus is on leading a team and not too busy with direct design work. Meanwhile, these senior positions are suitable for those of you who want to have a higher level but still participate in making UX designs. 3. Freelancer. As a freelancer, you need to prepare a UX designer portfolio that can highlight your strengths. Apart from that, you also have to be diligent in looking for clients, because your offer is not curtailed to be accepted. Apart from being a permanent profession, freelancing is also fine if you only want to use it as a side job. 4. UX specialist. Specialist here means that you can pursue a more specific field in the UX design area or move a little into fields that are still related to UI UX design. For example, you like to teach about UX design, so you can choose a specialization as a UX design teacher or tutor. And the last, entrepreneur UX designer. Someone with a UX design background tends to be able to start their own business. The reason is they know how to provide a pleasant experience for consumers. Apart from that, UX mastery also mentions that entrepreneurs and UX designers have something in common. namely the ability to truly understand consumers' needs. If you have a lot of new innovations related to digital products, you should consider this career path. The next UI/UX designer job relate companies. 1. EDEO. EDEO specialists in digital product and UX design. In particular, they are renowned for creating high-quality websites, mobile apps, enterprise software, and other digital experience for users. 2. Frogs. Frog is an international user experience UX agency and digital product design consultancy that creates products and experience that enable digital change. 3. Nielsen Norman Group. The NNG team has a lot of experience with the basics of design and how to make it easy to use. Their growing reputation is partly due to the fact that they place the results of their research investigations on their website. UI/UX designer qualification have a minimum of 2 years experience as a UI/UX designer and a relevant educational background, such as digital design, graphic media, media technology, or information technology, and graduate with the minimum category, very satisfactory proficiency in applications such as wireframe, InVision, various Adobe products, Photoshop, Illustrator, Indust, HTML5, and CSS is also required for this job. In addition, you must have experience regarding usability factors in human-computer interaction. UI/UX designer working hours. UX designers work various hours depending on the company and their role. Generally, UX designers work 8 until 10 hours per day, but this may vary depending on the size and complexity of the project. UI/UX designer scope of work. The scope of the UX designer's work relates to user satisfaction in using the web or application. To get this satisfaction, a UX designer must be able to make products efficient, easy and comfortable use, and fun. And the last is salary. The salary received by each position varies depending on the career path one gets. Referring to the Glassdoor and Indeed sites, the salary distribution according to the UX designer career path is as follows. 1. The average salary for a fresh graduate UI/UX designer for an internal UI/UX position is 1 until 6 million per month. 2. The average salary for a fresh graduate UI/UX designer for a junior UI/UX designer position is 6 until 8 million per month. 3. The average salary for fresh graduate UX researcher positions is 7 until 11 million per month. 4. The average salary for a UX writer position is 5 until 8 million per month. And the average salary for a senior UI/UX designer position is 12 until 21 million per month. I end my explanations. Thank you.